Hello everyone, this is Aarti and welcome you all at my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own map using Geopandas library in Python. So let's get started. First of all, we need these four libraries. So let's see. The first one is Pandas library. We need to read CSV files. The second one is Geopandas that we need to work on latitude and longitude. And third one is matplotlib library that we need to plot our map. And the fourth one is shapely that we need to create our geometric points. Let's run the cell. Now we, we need to read a CSV file. So in this CSV file, I am having this India's latitude and longitude. Okay. So I have taken the CSV file from Kaggle. So you can also search on Kaggle and here you can see I am having the CSV file. Okay. Let's run this cell. Now, let's see what we have inside this CSV file. So, in this CSV file, we are having this name of the state and then latitude and longitude of our state. Okay. Now, using this latitude and longitude, we need to create a point. Okay. So, a point is a combination of latitude and longitude. So, we are creating this point and we are storing this point into this geometry. Okay. And then I'm only using this state column. So for that, I'm using ilog function to only using the state, and I'm storing this into this data variable, and then I'm creating a geodata frame using this state and this geometric point. Okay, that I'm creating here. Let's run this. Now let's see what we have inside this GDF, that is geodata frame. So as you can see, we are having this state, name of the state and the geometry of the state, like the point, that is the combination of longitude and latitude. Now, the next thing is, as we are working on India, India map, as we want to create an India map. So we need a shape file of India, and how you can download this. So I have downloaded this from Kaggle. So here you can see India state. We are having this all type of files. From that we need this shape file. Okay. So I have used the shape file. So and we can read this using this geopandas.read file, and let's run this. And if you plot this, then you can see it is an India's map. Okay. So this map is available to us. Now here you can see also it is as it's a data frame, like, right? So you can see what is inside this. Okay. So here you can see we are having name of the state and then geometry. In geometry, we are having multi polygon and polygon. So the it is a combination of multiple points. Like we have just created points, but in this polygon is a combination of many points. Okay, so from that from multiple points we are creating a polygon or multi polygon. So this is the map that is already available to us. Now we have to uh, we have to give the labels of every state. Let's see how we can give the labels. So here first we will create the map, and on top of it I'm giving the points that where that each and every uh, state I will be making 1 point. On every state I'm giving 1 point, and then I'm giving the label, like I'm writing some text on top of it. So the text is the name of the state and on what position, the latitude and longitude at that point. On that point, I'm giving this text. Let's run this. It's small, okay, so you can't see it. Let me increase the size. Mhm. Okay, yeah. So here now you can see. So I have given labels to the name to this map. So here you can see this is the Gujarat, this is Rajasthan, here is Maharashtra, and like this you can create any map, and you can do some more advanced thing with this map.